I was delighted to get a message and ask whether I'd be happy to review some fabric from Gütermann. It came directly from them, so I wasn't sure what I was getting. I was delighted when I opened the packet. As you can see, I've already opened the thread. They came with a pack of 7 threads to go with the fabric. Got these pretty pinks, blues and greens. Now I've already used the darker of the greens here for dressmaking, so I use that to hem a new dress and top, and work perfectly. So I'll put a picture up on the post so you can see that as well. So not yet decided what colours I'm going to be using for my test. I'm just going to get the fabric out now. So it's come, just get the threads out of the way, beautifully packaged with a ribbon. So it's the Gütermann Ring of Roses from the Blooms collection, and it's the colour 3, and it includes 5 fat quarters. So just undo the ribbon. There we are. And here are the 5 fat quarters we've got. There we are. So that's a purple with pale pink flowers and a beautiful blue in the leaves there. We've got the blue repeated into this one. And we've got that one, pink roses and a leaf pattern. So they all look absolutely gorgeous and they feel wonderful. So what I'm going to be doing, sure what I'm going to be doing with some of them, but I'm going to be using 2 of them to create a cutlery roll for using for work. I take packed lunches to work. Sometimes we have salads and stuff, so it'd be lovely to have my own cutlery roll to keep everything safe. So that's what I shall be doing. Now to decide what fabrics to use to do it. So I think I'm going to be using, let's go for those 2 or those 2. I think I may go for those ones. So I'll get that made. I'm going to be using those 2 contrasting fabrics. With that I shall make, so let's choose our thread for there. So that will be perfect. So I need to go and find some ribbon and I'll make it up and I'll give you my verdict once that's done. So I've done my test project for my review of the fabric. It is lovely fabric to work with. I do need to swatch out because not all the squares are square. There's a couple of wavy edges on some, but it irons beautifully. It's good to work with. It's lovely quality. I've used the thread that came with it. Chose the pink one to go with it. What I've created is a cutlery roll to take for work. I've got a pocket here to add in either tea bags or a serviette holder. So fold down at the top and roll over, and as you can see those fabrics go beautifully together. So what I think I'm going to keep to this summer theme as well, picnics and packed lunches. And I think what I'm going to do with some of the others is to create some waxed wraps to go with it. So I'm looking forward to doing those. So I'll give you a thumbs up for that fabric, and I'll put links on and more details on the blog there so that you can have a look for yourself. So whatever you create, you'll enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing your make soon.